It's Connor from John Kleis Audio. Welcome back to our channel, another episode.
I love the
JKA
stitching in this Alcantara.
See, that's Max. How about you get out of the Lamborghini, Max, please, and explain what we've done on this rather than comment on how nice the interior is.
Right, it's always exciting when we got a lovely car in. This is the Lamborghini Huracan EVO. What a monster. Now, this is just a simple installation for this particular video. We've added the Thinkware U1000 dash camera system. This is front and rear. It's a 2-channel system. You got recording while you're driving, but you also get a bit of recording while you're parked up. Why do you get a bit of recording while you're parked up, Connor?
Because we've added a battery in, that's why, and a Thinkware battery at that. Yeah. Not a different brand, all matching, all Thinkware. What battery is it, Max? It's
called the Thinkware Max. So the Thinkware Max iVolt, the Thinkware Max iVolt is basically going to give this system about 32 hours of parking protection on motion detection, just like that Ring doorbell technology that you might have, so that anyone walking around the front or the back of the vehicle, that will set off the motion detection system and basically capture what they're doing. If anyone was to try and park next to it and then accidentally hit into this beast, don't know how you would do that because it's you can't miss it. But the Thinkware camera is going to save that footage into its files so that when you come back to look at your car, you'll be able to see the damage and pull it off your Thinkware camera. To do that, it's quite nice and easy. What do you have to do, Connor?
So, in a nutshell, what we need to do is you turn your phone on, turn on Wi-Fi on your phone, search for the devices. Thinkware produces its own wireless network, which you connect straight to from your mobile phone. You then use Thinkware's app. There's a few apps depending on what Thinkware product you've got, and you can literally connect your phone straight to the dashcam via Wi-Fi and then open up the app that way. It is very seamless, although there is many Thinkware YouTube videos explaining on how to do it, but as per usual in all installations we do here, we'll quite happily sit in the car with you after the install's done and show you how you connect your phone to this device.
What we're going to do next is give you a little bit of a walk around the dash camera system, bit of a closer look, how it looks inside the car, and just give you a little bit more talking about it.
Boop, 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 boop. Live and direct again, inside the Lambo this time. This is to really show you a little bit about the inside of the dashcam installation, or more to the point what you can't see. So from Max's position.
From my position, I literally can't see any of the dash camera. That's what you want really. Great view of the road ahead. The dash camera is just tucked behind the mirror, and with its 150-degree wide angle at 4K at 30 or 2K at 60 frame rates, it gets an amazing view of everything happening in front of you.
And so if you want to see that view, I'll quickly show you now. I'm going to go back to the app that I mentioned earlier. I'm going to connect to it, and then we should hear her talk to me.
Connected to a smartphone.
Just like that.
Easy as that.
So now I'm going to go to live view, and then Max is going to show you the view from the front so you can see, and you can see a rather lovely car in the front of that. Oh wait, that's my one.
Lovely, that's our 4 Series there, more to come on that. So you get a nice view of the front. That's your front view on the dash camera. Just gonna flick it to the rear. Now you would have thought it wouldn't be that great of a view having 2 pieces of glass that dash camera's got to look through, but it gets a great picture of the rear, and if you was not to have a rear camera, you're missing half of a story in a lot of cases.
That view is better than no view, put it that way.
Absolutely.
Well, do we need to go anything for any more? Do you guys want to know anything more about dash cams? I mean, we could talk for probably hours about dash cams here, but no one wants to watch that Lamborghini video. We all know what you're really here for. So we're going to keep this short and simple about a dash cam. That's pretty much about it.
Let's go to the back of the car. Right, wrapping things up down at the business end of this vehicle, where the V10 lives and breathes. Thanks for watching this video. It's a mere short video just on the Thinkware dash camera. Hope you enjoyed it, just to give you a little bit of an idea about the product. Any other further questions you can get in contact with us. Send us an email, give us a call, or pop on down. There's other things that we do here that we can do for these vehicles, ranging from security to...
Well, security is obviously the biggest one. That was what I was going to say. Max, you stole that one. Stinger, speed camera detection systems, full audio upgrades, custom installs. Like, you're going to see a big video on that 4 Series there, which is our pride of our BMW fleet here. We've got quite a few demo cars in general, but this one has everything to it. In fact, I can't wait to show you what we've done on that next. The Thesis Audison system in that, to the Stinger speed camera system, to the custom Target Blue Eye installation. Pandora, remote start system. Wow, I mean, this car has everything on it. Literally everything that the shop sells.
So there is more things we could potentially do to this, but not on this occasion.
But we could fit it on this Lambo, don't get me wrong. All of that's in there, could go in here quite easily. So if you have a Lambo, talk to us.
Or any other car for that matter. So thanks for watching this brief video from John Kleis, and we'll see you again soon.
Over and out.
Thank you.